Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to compress images or multiple images to a smaller size inside Windows 10. You need not have to use any sort of third-party software. So inside your Windows 10 computer, you can see this is the images folder. You can see there are three images, high resolution images. So each image has a size of 3.22 megabytes. If I show you the image here, you will see this is a pretty large image. And now if you I need to compress this image, I need to simply press Ctrl A on my keyboard and right click, and simply you need to go to this option which is send to, and then you need to click this option which is mail recipient. So here you need to click this option. After you click this option, it will give you this interface where you can just select the picture size. So default is selected to medium. You can just change to original size, or you can change to large. If you want compression of the images, I will highly suggest that you select this one smaller, which will convert your images to 640 into 480. So highest level of compression will be there. And now you will see total estimated size is 270 kilobytes. So now we have compressed the images from 3 megabytes to 270 kilobytes. So this is pretty easy without having to use any sort of third-party software. And now if I click the attach button, so here this dialog box will appear here. You can see you need not have to close this dialog box by hitting this OK button. So just put it in the background. Now you need to go to this desktop here, and here you need to type here percentage temp and then percentage. So here we will have the temp folder. So simply you need to open this temp folder, and now if you drag down, you will see these three images. You can see each image is 23 kilobytes. You will see you need to simply select all this and simply cut these images. Simply cut it, and right here we can just create a new folder here. Click a new folder, and here you can change the name to compressed, and inside this compressed folder you can just paste these three photographs, and now you will see each photograph has a size of 23 kilobytes. So this is a compressed version. If I open this image, you will see the same image is there. The quality hasn't been changed, just the size has been reduced, and now you can see the size difference being comparatively decreased. So we haven't used any sort of software. you this process don't require any sort of internet connection. You can do it on Windows 10 computer. So this option is pretty much available in all the machines, I think. If you right click the send to option and click here mail recipient, you need to click it, and then you can select how many compression that you want. So you can just play with these options until and unless how much you can reduce the image. I will highly suggest that you select the smaller one in order to compress the images. You can see the live proof. We have compressed each image from you can see 3.22 MB megabytes to 23 kilobytes. So you need you need not have to use any sort of third party software. You can just perform these operations inside Windows 10. So this was a simple video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. And one more thing, please head over to my website freemediatools.com. Here I add daily tools related to audio, image, and so these are online tools. Definitely check out this website. The link will be there inside the video description. Also join the Facebook group as well, which has got 26 members. And I will be seeing you in the next video.